So hey guys, welcome back to the call. In this video, we are going to see how we can set up the update policies for the Sophos. So you just have to go to the My Products, then your whatever is the product you are using, either if you are using endpoint or the server. So specifically, the major difference between endpoint and server is like server is used for the Linux-based operating systems, and endpoint is available for Windows and MacBooks. Let's go to the policies since we are using the endpoint protections. Click on the add policies. From here you have to select the update management. Then update management policies is only supported by the device level, not at the user level. So I'm just typing the update management test and just selecting the device. Next, some ways we have to select the group as well. It's not required, but we can select it. The settings set to update for your preferred timer. So it is the only thing which what they suggest is like how Sophos should be updated. That's it. So you can say like check for the every Friday maybe not 2 p.m. but 6 p.m. or something. Like if there is any update on the Sophos, which package they should use. If you can select the package version as well, or either you can use the recommended for both of them, MacBook and Windows. That's it. Other than this, you don't have to do any changes in the settings. So we'll save this and it's applied. Okay guys, let's meet in next videos.